above the skies of Europe. The jet has symbolized both the billionaire lifestyle and the enduring persona of America's 45th president. But beyond its flash and headlines, Trump's aircraft has been an active tool in both politics and business, and it has made numerous international trips, especially since leaving office. Airplane departure. The plane, a flying fortress of luxury. Trump's primary jet is a Boeing 757-200, originally built in 1990. Bathrooms with 24-karat gold fixtures rebranded as Trump Force 1. The jet was a staple during Trump's 2016 and 2020 presidential campaigns, and has become an instantly recognizable symbol of his political brand. Globe international voyages. Where has it been? Though it made most headlines for meetings and branding ventures. Canada, particularly during the early days of the Trump Organization's expansion, these trips were often dual-purpose, handling Trump Organization business while maintaining visibility as a public figure. 2. Campaign-style rallies overseas. In the post-presidency years, Trump has occasionally political parties, business elites, or media networks. While these trips are less frequent than domestic rallies, they highlight Trump's continued international influence, especially in nationalist and populist circles abroad. 3. Maintenance trips and overland. Any international trip involves layers of security coordination with both U.S. and foreign governments. While the aircraft is not government-owned, the Secret Service still provides protection. Interestingly, the aircraft's tail number, N757AF, has made it one of the most tracked private jets on platforms like Flight Radar 24. With aviation enthusiasts and political watchers closely monitoring its international movements. United States symbol of a brand and a campaign. Though Donald Trump has access to other aircraft, including smaller jets and helicopters, the 757 remains his most public and prestigious flying asset. Its use during rallies, especially overseas, serves not just as transportation, but as a floating campaign banner. When Trump arrived in Scotland in 2023 to visit his golf resort, the plane was greeted with supporters, protesters, and global media alike. For many, it was a reminder that while Trump may no longer occupy the White House, he remains a force on the world stage. Writing hand. Final thoughts. Donald Trump's private plane is more than just a luxury jet. It's a powerful political symbol, a tool for international outreach, and a reminder of a uniquely modern political figure whose brand transcends borders. Whether it's touching down in Europe for business or flying across the Atlantic to attend a rally, Trump Force 1 ensures that Trump's presence, loud, bold, and unmistakable, is felt wherever it lands.